Okay, now we're back at it. We got it sitting on its rollers now, so to roll around the shop. The body's sitting on it. Man, I'm just real happy. It's turning out awesome. Still got quite a few things to go to it, but the body's on it now. It's just down to doing a bunch of wiring. We got just all kinds of gas lines and wiring and all that good stuff to do. We still got to hook up a steering column. I got parts in to redo all that. You can get a look at what that looks like now. It's what it looks like when I get done with it. It'll turn out pretty cool. Been adding trinkets of blue to everything, so of course I'm going to add some in there. And you know, we got our Wildwood big rotor brake set up on here. Discs in the front, two-piece discs in the front. We got a disc in the rear by Wildwood. Pretty cool setup there. And then on the drivetrain we've been going over, we have a CVT serpentine belt pulley system on it for our air condition. And that's just a really nice setup. Cool. And then we went through and polished up our Offenhauser valve covers. That was a project there. Motor's been redone, and we got our stainless steel Flowmaster exhaust on it. High torque starters. It's just coming together. I like it. So let's get it up in there and take a look at it from the bottom side, man. I'm excited about it. So let's do that there, and then we'll come back to it. But the body is on the chassis of the 63. We look at that. Put them headlights back. Pow, stalled out, baby. Oh yeah. She is cool. She's a cool car. Coming together. We've had that back window out up, the new seals, and it had all the chrome off of it. Polished up all the chrome on it, and left it all in patina. It just looks like it's been sitting around for a long time. She is solid. All right. Let's get it up in the air and take a look at it.